What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at this awesome move and the structure that Tesla stock is giving us, guys. Watch out now. Is this the new beginning on Tesla, and has the structure confirmed us that we are heading to the upside? If you have seen my video yesterday that I did on Tesla, and that was start of a new bullish structure, and at the same time, on my another channel that I have started, guys, a new channel as well that is about dividend investing, I bought Tesla ETF, that is the YTSL. This is completely my dividend investing. If you want to know more about it, subscribe to this new channel as well. You will find the link to this channel in the description of this video, and also you can just search this on YouTube. I just bought yesterday the ETF, and today, well, because for the reasons that I'm buying these dividends investing, the reasoning behind this is that to even buy when the price action is confirming means some good moves, right? So again, check this channel out, check the videos out, and subscribe to this as well if you want to follow along the journey as the portfolios that I'm building here on this channel. So guys, Tesla looking great, right? We are where we went up today, a green candle, a start of a bullish structure, as I said yesterday. Now, we'll talk about some of the news as well. And sorry about the video coming out late today. But no worries. I haven't forgotten about you, and glad you are here as well. And let's get this thing done, guys. And then after this, NVIDIA video will be coming out. And if I'm able to, I'll push out more videos as well as to, keep the coverage going. So Tesla plans to cut 601 more jobs in California. Notice to government says not to worry. Again, well, sure, this is just a news, but it can be taken in any perspective. However, we will work with the technicals. And we have also Tesla sued in California for environmental violations. Not sure what that is up to. This is the Environmental Democracy Project seeks an injunction to stop the excess pollution and civil fines of up to the Bay Area Air Quality Management District has urged an independent hearing board to compel Tesla to curb emissions from its paint shop operations, citing frequent breakdowns in the emission abatement system. Well, anyways, all this politics aside, let's get into the technicals, guys. Let's see what are we expecting from Tesla here. So we are on the daily interval above 20 and 50 days moving average, right? Not only that, but I was saying that, guys, as we get above 175, structure will on swing as will start to confirm bullishness. So what does that mean? Junior Trader, is it swing bullish? Well, structure is yes. But let me take you to the hourly interval and let's talk more about that over there. So I showed you we found support at 20 and 50 days moving average. And as I said that, guys, as long as we are above this trend, stays above this trend line, it's a bullish play. And remember what I said in my previous videos that, well, yesterday I talked about that, guys, Tesla is looking to change the structure already. This is already becoming, as long as we continue to hold this trend line, this is already a structure start to the upside. And you can see we rejected yesterday at our significant level 175. And then I said we have a possibility of going up to 200 hours moving average. And look at it. That's where we pretty much rejected today. However, trend line keep providing us that support, and Tesla is trying to break through that as well now. So since we didn't lose 175 after recapturing it, that was the next break of the level to the upside. So structure, as it started to confirm us yesterday to the upside, today it gave us the another confirmations of intraday. So yes, intraday we have been bullish, and that's what I have been saying, that structure is shifting back again to the upside, and Tesla is still in the bullish structure on the intraday. And guys, I would say that we are above 175 and we have closed above 175. That puts us also, I would say we are in the swing bullish as well. Now, until where can we go up? Well, 180 is the next level. We pretty much rejected just underneath of that little bit, right? When we closed the hourly candle, yes, below 200 hours moving average, but then we did try to go in that hour up to $180, right? So tomorrow, as if we want to continue this bullish thing, we want to go above and close above 180, and then the next target becomes $185 range, right? Junior trader, can Tesla become, what is the area to watch if the structure is going to break? If Tesla tomorrow, guys, breaks this level, first of all, if it breaks this trend line, let me extend this trend line out for you guys now. And if Tesla tomorrow breaks this trend line, yes, you gotta be a little bit careful. I would say give it some little bit of a leeway here as well, guys. Use this as a channel because we do have the pre-market action going a little bit lower. I'm not putting that in the first trend line because we have that in the pre-market and we still found support above 20 and 50 hours moving average. But anyways, going through this channel here, right? As long as we are in this channel or above it, right, we are still in the bullish trend. As long as Tesla is not closing below 175 tomorrow, we are still keeping this bullish structure to the upside. And yes, Tesla is bullish. If Tesla loses 175 tomorrow, then I will start to get worried again that, all right, guys, structure is getting weak again and things along those lines, right? But as I have been saying since yesterday, yes, Tesla is looking back to the upside, right? Good stuff. Let's take a look at 5 minutes interval as well. And I want to show you my day trading bot as well. So you can see today also profitable moves, yesterday also profitable moves. And look at it, amazing, loving it, loving the moves, good money made. And if you need access to my tools as well, links are in the description below of this video, all right? I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. So now what? Well, guys, easy peasy. That's all for this video, okay? Intraday, it's still an upside play as long as, well, let's go to the 5 minutes again. Let me see if I can, well, I already provided you the channel lines to watch, the levels to watch. Tomorrow, as well, it's bullish. As long as we don't break below the levels, guys, 175 tomorrow and 100, yeah, pretty much that range, we will still stay bullish. And yeah, pullbacks on this until then are a candidate to be bought, and accordingly you will have your stop loss on the other side in case structure starts to break. But right now structure is bullish. All right, guys, that's for Tesla. Today I won't be covering options data. I'm short on time today and I just didn't get time to capture that. I'm sorry, but don't you worry, Tesla technicals are looking bullish to me here. All right, now I want to go over real quick QQQ and SPY because I don't think I'll get time for individual to cover tech stocks today. So, but I'm still going to cover QQQ and SPY with Tesla here. And what are we seeing, guys, here with QQQ? Full on bullish, right? We never lost this level. I was talking about if we lose 442, then you can expect 250 days moving average. We never got that, and we have been in the bullish structure. QQQ looks like it's going for this guy's ultimate all-time highs, and who knows, this time it might just crush up again, go higher, who knows, right? Well, the direction is to the upside, just remember that. SPY is also not willing to give up any of the structural break to the downside. It has been holding strong, and today also you can see trying to go to this all-time highs. The level break on SPY would come if it loses 518, otherwise no. It is still bullish, pullbacks are being bought back up on this. Am I going to buy here? No. Time to buy were at these pivots when I was talking about it, guys. These pivots are forming, these pivots are forming. And intraday, this will turn into swings soon as we break out of this zone of $510. And we got all of those moves, right? So things are looking great just as how we have been talking about it. So amazing, amazing move. So yeah, it's bullish as well, guys. Well, guys, anyways, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.